Dave at USA Performance Parts. I'm out in the warehouse and I've assembled a complete 632 kit of ours. This is an awesome kit. I mean, when I say complete, already all the way from the intake manifold down to the oil pan. We start out with a great solid foundation. This is a World Products Merlin 4-block. It has steel billet caps on it, ARP main studs. This is about as good an iron block as you're ever gonna find. Comes with the cam bearings and the freeze plugs and all the plugs and dowel pins for it too. Cylinder heads in this kit. This is a Profiler 375cc, 100% CNC ported head. The CNC chambers are already done. The intake ports, the exhaust ports, everything's ready to go. Comes with the Urson Performance competition valves in it. They can exhaust. We use a triple spring for a 900 lift. It's an Urson spring, great spring for it. Comes with titanium retainers, all the locks, valve seals, they're Viton valve seals on top of it. Comes with the Urson solid roller cam. There's a few choices on that we can use on it. Comes with a set of Morel lifters. These are arguably the best lifter on the market. Comes with the 3/8 push rods in it. Come over to we use a 4340 forged crankshaft with the full counterweights. There's 8 counterweights all the way through it. That gives it a lot more strength and reliability. The H-beam rods, these have the ARP 2000 bolts already in it, so that's a great strong rod. Comes with all the bolts you're going to need for it. Intake manifold, head bolt, everything. Balancer we use, this is an SFI balancer, and you notice all the timing marks are already etched into it, so you don't have to worry about that. Got a polished aluminum front cover with the seals and gaskets, everything for that. The piston we're using in this kit is a JE piston. It's got a big dome on it. This will be a high compression engine. Comes with a ductile moly competition rings in it. Use the King bearings in it. That's our performance bearings. This is something a little unique, and not too many kits ever have them in it. This is a billet timing chain, billet crank gear and here, but it's an infinitely adjustable. It has 6 slots in it and the bolts, so you can, where most of them just have the keyways down here, so you can adjust it 2, 4, 6 degrees. This will adjust anywhere you want it. Not only that, the engine builder is going to love you because it is so easy to time the cam with using that. The intake we use is a Profiler. This is our Sniper. This is arguably the best single 4-barrel manifold out there for big block Chevys. These work really well. We use a Mellon Select pump. This is our better pump. It's all coated. It has a number of release springs in it, so you can set the pressure in it. It has a threaded plug instead of a dowel pin in it, so you can just take it back out. We use a Melodon competition oil pan and pickup in it. Comes with all the gaskets. We use the couple things unique. We use Cometic head gaskets in it, so for the high compression they will hold up very well. The valve covers, these are a silicone rubber. They also have a steel insert in between so they don't push out and try and leak. And also they have a steel sleeve in here so you can't over tighten them. It's in the Cometic gaskets there. This is a very complete kit. This is our complete 632 kit. We also have them for 565, 540 big blocks, 496s. We have them for small blocks all the way from 383 to to 427 cubic inch. We got small block Fords from 302 all the way up to 454 cubic inch. So we can set you up with a complete engine kit for anything you're looking for. This stuff is all in stock at our warehouse. Just give us a call. USA Performance, 704-397-7979.